The first thing you'll see below the title bar is the File command. When you click this button, you'll be taken to what Excel calls the Backstage view. From the Backstage view, you can create new documents, open existing documents, get information about the document you have open, use the various saving options, print your document, share it with others, export it to another format, publish it to Power BI, which is a Microsoft tool for working with data, and you can close the document. There are also a few other options on the Backstage view screen. The Account option has information about the account you are logged in with. The Feedback option lets you give Microsoft feedback about how you like Excel. And the Options option is where you can make changes to your Excel preferences. When you're done using the Backstage view, if you didn't execute a command that closed the view, such as opening or closing a document, you can click the back arrow or press the Escape key on your keyboard to return to your Excel workbook.